Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to buy a washing machine.
Okay. Which brand would you like?
I don't care so much about brands.
So, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for a good price and good functions.
Okay. Function and price are important to you.
That's right.
Okay. First, may I ask you, what size washer do you need?
What do you mean by what size washer?
Well, like, a small size is 4 kilos. A large size is 8 kilos.
Do you have a medium size?
Sure. Medium size is 6 kilos.
Okay, I think I want a medium size.
All right. And do you want a 1-bin or a 2-bin washer?
What's the difference between 1 bin and 2 bin?
Well, with a 2-bin washer, you have to move the clothes to the spinner yourself.
And the 1 bin?
Oh, it does it automatically. It's a 2-in-1 spin bin.
Oh, I understand. Which one cleans better?
They clean the same.
Really? And do the washers cost the same?
Well, the 1-bin washer is more expensive, but it's simple to use.
Simple is important. Well, I think I'd like the 1 bin washer.
You know, if you like things simple and easy, may I suggest to you the fuzzy logic function?
What is the fuzzy logic?
Oh, fuzzy logic is a special function. It makes using the washer easier.
How does the function work?
Well, you put in your clothes, you put in the soap, and the washer does the rest.
Sounds perfect. This is exactly the kind of washing machine I've been looking for.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to buy a washing machine.
Which brand would you like?
I don't care so much about brands.
So, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for a good price and good functions.
What size washer do you need?
Do you have a medium size? Do the washers cost the same?
Well, the 1-bin washer is more expensive, but it's simple to use.
How does the function work?